If you want to go ahead and add in toggle heading blocks, then you can easily do that in Notion as well. So toggle heading blocks are interactive headings that you can expand the content out of. So to do that, I'm going to press slash right here and type in toggle right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and type that in. And over here, you can see that I got toggle list, toggle headings right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and choose toggle heading 1, then let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say computer right here, just like this. I can go ahead and expand, and over here, I can type in whatever I want. So you can see the down arrow right here. So this is related right here. So let me just go ahead and use AI. Let's say, for example, I'm going to use space, and I'm simply going to say, all right, 3 sentences related to what a computer is. So if I were to go ahead and do that, it'll actually go ahead and generate out the description of the computer. And this is inside of the heading right here. So you can go ahead and expand and contract this, as you can see right here. So what I can also actually do is duplicate this, and you can see that I got this right here. So you can go ahead and add in more contents right here, just like this. Go ahead and press slash and then type in toggle, and then there's toggle heading 2, 3 as well as needed. So you can go ahead and type this in right here, just like this. And once you go ahead and then, let's say, for example, minimize it and expand it, you can see that you got the toggle headings right there, just like that. And that is how you can utilize toggle heading block inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.